So hey guys, welcome back to my channel Rohit this side. So in this video I am going to tell you how you can leverage Chat GPT or AI tools to learn programming concepts. Unlike traditional methods like going for YouTube tutorials, so in this video I'm going to talk about that. First I have given a prompt what is selection sort in C++. So it has first given a simple answer to that problem. Selection sort is a simple, and now it has given its code. The second question which I have asked is convert this code in Python. So it has converted this code in Python. So now what you can do is you can just ask me question on selection sort. So what I am going to do is that you can just simply create your own personalized test. So what you can do is you can figure out mistake where are you lagging just by simply telling the AI tools. So it has asked some question what is the time complexity of the selection sort algorithm in the how does selection sort differ from others. So in this way you can tell ChatGPT to ask some question to you to have an understanding of the topic. So the fourth question which I have asked ChatGPT, what is the best resource to learn DSA? So it has compiled all the resources present in the internet, to be it books, online tutorials or paid courses. Now you can also ask some general question. What are the prerequisites to learn DSA? So if you have any doubt, you can just simply tell this one. So to learn the DSA, you programming basics, you need to have a command on any one language, basic mathematics, problem solving skills. So in this way, you can just simply create your own customized test and leverage that platform. So, yeah.